So you tested it by hitting go lots of times. Did you see something that maybe didn't error, but was an error? Uh, I'll show you on my copy. If I bring it up, I'll go to blank. I'll try and do that again and bring a blank back. There you go, another blank. So what we have here isn't a syntax error where I've just typed something wrong and it's noticed it simply. I've got a logical error here. Somewhere in my logic, I've gone wrong. So I need to try and work out what. Okay, well, when we think about it, what's happening here is it's going randomly. If we look at this random thing, it's going randomly for between 0 and 1, multiplying that by the number of rows we have. I've added the +1 because you can get a integer of 0. So we didn't want that. We didn't want it to come up with a 0. But what I've now got is a problem of I can get an extra row at the back where there's nothing on. To get rid of that problem, oops, I need to stop it. To get rid of that problem, to get rid of that extra number inside another set of brackets, I'm just going to get a -1. Save all, and that should fix that problem. So now when it loads up, it should stop just short of that last blank line. Okay, right, so that's it for reading from a comma separated variable. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to modify this project to write to a comma separated variable. So we're going to look at how we can actually take that joke list and we could make new jokes using our program. So that's where we're going to go next. Right, so can you just make that minor modification, test it, and even try adding a few new jokes. If you want some extra things to do, I chose a Christmas cracker theme, but I haven't actually put much on here. Is what you could try is you could try actually making a theme with pictures. So there's different ways to do that. So you could include the picture box, maybe have a cracker or a joke of some sort going in there. And simply in the properties, you can find out where you load the image from. Or you could even load a background image, maybe a wallpaper that repeats onto the whole slide itself. And again, if you look at background image here and the layout, you will find out how to do that. Okay, right, all ready with that? Away you go.